Hi everyone, Wilson with Premier here with another Tesla Model 3 that we just completed with Clearguard Nano. This is a one-piece custom installation and I just wanted to show some close-up details of the work that we did on here. So why don't we come take a closer look. Most of the time for these installations you will see a seam that joins right about here and a joining seam that comes right about there. When there's dirt collection it just doesn't look very good. This is one piece, so there's no seams on those areas. So right now we're about 2 inches away and you can see where the seam is. It's right up to the panel edge, so it's virtually undetectable. And next on to the parking sensors. We're going to get really close up just so that you can see where the edge is. It's virtually undetectable. So there you have it. That was a quick example of our Tesla Model 3 custom front bumper.